How you doing? I can go in on the scooter, right? Yeah. Okay, thanks. Welcome to Spanish River Public Park here. It's another glorious South Florida day. Slight breeze coming out of the north. No threat of snow in sight. So today, guys, I have a little treat for you. I wanted to start here because this is a park. I haven't been here for a while, and I wanted to thank the good folks of Circooter for providing our mode of transportation today, and that would be this baby. None other than the Circooter Landturbo Pro. So when they reached out to me and asked me to review the scooter, I researched it, I took a look at it, and I was like, wow, this thing really looks badass. And e-bikes are great. You guys already know that I love them, and you've seen me on them many times. But a scooter has many advantages over an e-bike. Namely, you got a truck, you can throw it right in the back, or even an SUV or a car. This will fit in the trunk, no problem. For a scooter, that's exceptional. And I thought this would be a good starting point because, well, I'll show you here in a second. While I'm doing that, well, for one thing, there's 4 convenient modes on this baby. You see the little green guy there? That's walking mode. So when the scooter is on, you don't need to touch the throttle. The brakes are right there. There's dual brakes. One on either side, just in case you need those. But hold on, let me show you guys where we're going here. I'm going to take you through the tunnel of love. You got this jazzy headlight right in the front. Gives off a lot of light. That looks pretty cool. Look at how jazzy that is. The name on the side of the deck lighting up and changing colors. So here's a quick demonstration of the various modes that you have. Walking, then it goes to echo, race mode, sport mode. So you got a lot of controls right at a finger's notice. And look what this park tunnel leads out to. By the way, that's A1A overhead right now. That's right. There be waves here. It's a great spot. I probably should have started the video from here. But yeah, that park, you can pay to park, or you can ride your scooter for free into the park. Like we just did. Who's better than us? And this is where it leaves. That will be safe there. There's A1A, just like I told you guys. See the traffic going over it. And when you're going uphill, you just hit the throttle a little bit when you're walking, and it'll help you get over the hump. Oh, what a beautiful day, guys. What's up, brother?
What's up, man?
So yeah, everybody that you're seeing here on this beach parked in the Spanish River. Now, if you're a resident of Boca Raton, I think you might get a sticker that you pay for once a year, and it includes that. But if not, you're paying, what was it, 35 bucks a car per shot? That's some serious money. If you're doing it every weekend, you know, or even once. Anyway, just wanted to show it to you. All right, we're going to test this baby out now. We're going to see it in action, and I'll tell you a little more about it. Let's go. They say it's perfect for the city, but it's also an all-terrain scooter. So going into something like this, no problem. So this scooter will go faster than most e-bikes at a speed of up to 32 miles an hour. In this safe spot here, there's like almost nobody here. I think it'd be a great place to test it out, and then we'll ride it around. So I'm going 6, 7, 8, got it up to 12. Now I'm bumping it up to echo. 17, 18. So guys, I had it up to 18 miles an hour on just the second setting alone. That was just echo mode. All right, this is sport. $17, $18, $19, $20, $25, $27, $28, $29, $30, $31, $31. And the brakes are incredible. You know what, guys? The manual says that it can go 32 miles an hour. I got it to 31. No shakiness whatsoever. I probably could have got that extra 1 mile an hour out of it. It is as advertised. I just kind of ran out of room even in here because I was going so fast. And to be honest with you, I started getting nervous just because it's fast. It's very fast. But the scooter itself, took it like a champ. No shakiness. That suspension, you could look at that suspension. Look at it. Front and back. Let's test it up a little incline. Maybe enough. As you can see it, it's kind of windy. Oh wow. Oh, it's almost as if I was going straight. Cruising at about 18 right now. Woohoo! Dusty road, a lot of debris on it. Even the concrete's got a lot of cracks in it. It's not that even. Yeah, keep in mind, this is a scooter I'm on, standing on, not an e-bike. Oh, here's a big bump. Whoa! It's very agile, this scooter, I'll tell you that right now. The shocks, I mean, they're like coiled springs that are just able to absorb anything you throw at it. 10-inch pneumatic tires with some pretty good tread on them, I might add. How's that for stopping on a dime? It's a testament to the strength of these dual disc brakes on both the front and back. On a scooter, this is known as the deck. It's where you put your feet, obviously. And you can see how wide this deck is. You got plenty of room, both width and length. The Circooter Landturbo Pro. That'll even make me move. Guys, I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for riding with me today. Again, it's the Circooter Landturbo Pro. It's got all the features, bells and whistles that you need. Plus speed, plus power, plus range. So, hope you enjoyed this little demonstration as much as I did. It's gonna be dark soon, and that means the mosquitoes will be out. So, until next time, the Barefoot Vlogger saying, stay well, stay tuned, and ride safe. Time to go right off into the sunset. I'll see you guys later.